Sorry to hear that. Thud, 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 throb, 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 goes the pounding headache drum. Easy, whispers the soothing relief breeze. Ow, ow, echoes the empathetic response. Feel better soon, soon, soon. Sends the supportive vibe. Got it. I'll keep my responses quiet and noise-free from now on. Sure thing. Did you know that there is a type of jellyfish that is immortal? The Turritopsis dawni, also known as the immortal jellyfish, can transform its body into a younger state through a process called transdifferentiation, essentially making it immune to aging.